What are you gonna do with that? Yeah. Yeah, that's funny because I have to pick it up. Here. There it is. What are you gonna do with it? Okay, yeah, see, that's not good. Here. Okay, again. Dude, this is the last time. Here. What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, that's what happens. Okay. Yeah. See, I know you. You're doing it on purpose. You're evil. Evil. I don't think it's that funny. Actually, it's not funny. Look, I have it right here. I don't know if I should give it to you. Huh? Okay, okay. Last time. Here. Last time. Diego.